Hey everyone, welcome to Simple Creations by Shanda. Today I wanted to share with you how I organize my embellishments. Recently I posted a video of my mini Hobby Lobby haul, and I got some new embellishments and I needed to organize them, and I wanted to share with you guys how I do that. So hopefully it may inspire you to be able to organize your crafty items too. I know everybody has their own system, but this is what I do. So during back to school, I get these storage containers. I love these. I have so many of them, and I use my little I have like a little printer that I make labels, and I put on the side right here, and then I stack them because these stack wonderfully. And I just love these storage containers. They really work good. So of course I take off the sticker. That was really loud. Sorry. And then inside of here I use these little mini containers that I get at the Dollar Tree. And these work really well for those tiny little embellishments. So I'm just going to show you all how I do this. And that's it. It's just going to be a short, sweet video. Fit perfect in there. And these little containers hold so many of these tiny containers. I'm not sure if these will fit in here. They might be too big. I think I'm going to use 2 containers for these so that they don't squish. get squished. I do the same thing with my shaker bits, and it saves a lot of space. Get rid of all that packaging, and I have a little package of those shaker bits here that wouldn't fit in one of my other containers, so I'll just put those in here. So these little containers are in the food section of the Dollar Tree. And then the purple one, they have different colors in these containers. But that one came from the school supply section. I wasn't sure if I already told you that. But they only sell them back to school time, so if you want to buy these, you need to go now before they're all gone. I think I'm going to have to use 2 for this one. See how perfect 4 of those in a row fit in there? And then I'll do 4 more. And then there's still a little space here, so like if I had like a little baggie of something, I can just stuff down in the side. So these really hold a lot of things. I've got one more here. I'm out of little containers, so I'm going to stop here. I'll have to go to Dollar Tree and buy me some more of these. So yeah, that was just a quick little share there to show you how I organize my little tiny items, my little embellishments, and then I'll stack them and put a little tag on the side so I can find what I'm looking for quickly. Oh, this one might be broken. Oh, there we go. But anyway, I hope you find this little tip helpful, and thanks for watching.